Hello, this is Meraki Woman once again welcoming you back on a yet another Sunday. I'm sure that most of you have clicked on to this particular thumbnail thinking that there's somebody out there who is constantly letting you down. But let me ask you something. What about that somebody inside you who is constantly letting yourself down? Tell me something. How many times do you let yourself down when you snooze that alarm, when you don't exercise, when you make bad eating choices, when you don't really set aside a time for self-development, when you don't really set aside that time for you to achieve that goal, for you to take those steps to be able to achieve that goal? So really, who is letting yourself down? Is there somebody out there, or is it somebody in here who is constantly probably making all those excuses and holding you back? Does this remind you of a story from Panchatantra? What about if I give you a hint? The Fox and the Grapes story. We've all read that story when we were kids. The fox just gives up on attempting and declares and assumes that the grapes are sour. The grapes could be sour indeed, but making an assumption without really giving 100% of your effort is not really done. How many times do we experience similar situations in life that we just assume, that we just declare that maybe something is not meant for us? See, life is unpredictable. Nobody had predicted the coronavirus or the lockdown. And the grapes could be sour indeed. Life is all about different experiences. Some are sweet, some are bitter, some are sour. But just declaring something without giving your 100% is not really what we as humans should be doing. If you have ever been in a fox and a grape kind of a situation, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel and if you find the content meaningful, please consider subscribing. Moving on to the story. So there's this fox who is moving along in the forest, and he sees a bunch of nice juicy grapes. He probably just jumps once or twice before just giving up and declaring that the grapes are sour, and he moves on. And when when fellow foxes or fellow peers ask him about what was his experience with the grapes, he just smugs and with a lot of false pride says that grapes are sour and not really meant for me. Don't we also many a times succumb to peer pressure? So when we say about someone letting me down, it is really not your family, not your friends, not your peers, but primarily you yourself giving up on making those attempts. If you really want XYZ to happen, if you really have set your eyes on one particular goal, you must give your 100% and then leave it up to the Almighty and leave it up to the forces of the universe to align and take you towards that goal. Like I said, there's a fair probability that something may not happen. There's a fair probability that the grapes are indeed sour. But when you give your 100% in making those attempts, at least you realize that the technique that you're adopting or the method that you're adopting to reach that particular milestone is probably wrong, is probably faulty. So what you do is you end up modifying that technique, or you end up changing that technique. You don't really change your goal post. Okay, so now you know that for me to have that bunch of grapes jumping once or twice with so much of force, with so much of velocity, with so much of trajectory is not good enough. Maybe I can use a trampoline, maybe I can use something that helps my jump becomes maybe something that helps my jump become more powerful, more higher. this is how it really works. So basically all these stories that we have been listening to as kids has real time application as growing as adults. So let's try and find out as many stories as possible. And if you want me to talk about one particular Panchatantra story, or if you have a favorite story that you want me to relate to a real life experience, please let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to talk about it. So that is it for today, for this Sunday. Until then, don't forget to become a better version of yourself every single day. Good day. Have a miraculous Sunday.